Do you love cookie cutter homes? Do you hate privacy? Do you want to be just like everybody else? Those houses are going in across the street. Here at 318 Hickory Hills, you have the biggest house in the neighborhood and one of the most sought after neighborhoods in Davidson County. Come check it out.
Now here on the main level of 318 Hickory Hill Lane, we are going through here. We have our main dining room. This right here is a massive main dining room. You can fit all of your friends, family, whoever you want to fit, you can about fit in this dining room here. Coming in through here, we have our laundry room. So for all them people who love to do that laundry, it has to be done. You have a good sized laundry room to sit here and work. You have storage up here for your detergents and all sorts of things. Come on through. We're gonna show you this little thing I thought was pretty neat. We have your utility closet in here. So you have more storage, whether it's for shoes, vacuums, mops, whatever you need to do, you have plenty of storage here. The door right behind me goes straight out to the garage. So with easy access from getting your groceries out, pull in, drop your groceries out, come in the house, unload them. Speaking of groceries, let's go check out this kitchen. I think you're gonna like this. So coming in here, we have this beautiful kitchen, open concept, straight to the living room. Lots of storage, love the glass panel on here. Love to show off on that dining china that people love so much. And here, we have a decent sized pantry. Hey.
Oh, just looking for a snack. Oh, the house, my bad. Oh yeah, so pantry. A lot of space, clearly. I was just in there. I heard him talk about putting china in here. No one cares about that anymore, but that is beautiful. We have plenty of countertop space, as you can see. Lovely flow as it comes into the living room with vaulted ceilings. Massive couches they have in here, and it still feels extremely open. Plenty of room for hosting and watching football games, as we all know, not soccer, Matt. Comes into the master bedroom, which again, king size bed, very spacious. Working into the master bath, double vanity, got a jetted tub, standing shower, massive walk-in closet, and water closet. Take a break. See you guys.
So continuing on this way, he had to use the bathroom real quick. You have a porch out back. So you can get out to that whether it's through the main bedroom here, or you want to use these double doors out here in the main living room. And when I say nice deck, I mean a nice deck. Look at the size of this thing. Whether you want to frame something up, screen it in, you could do that. Whether you want to leave it just how it sits, you could do that. They have nice brand new wood. It's just waiting to get stained in 6 to 8 months. Now to highlight the upstairs of this beautiful home, you're going to have 2 bedrooms up here along with a bath. So let's check it out here. Walk in here now, you have one of your bedrooms here. You have kind of this little flex space back here. Now this could be used for storage, a little playroom for the kids, a little bit of office. You can kind of use it for wherever you want to use with. We have attic access right here. Coming back through here, we have our other bedroom. Now you can see these are not just small bedrooms, these are wonderful sizes. Doing a great job. Look at this beautiful purple here. Let's continue to check it out. Now coming back through here, you have your bathroom. Check it out.
Oh, dude, I could scroll here for hours. So coming out of the bathroom, you walk into this massive bonus room area. They are using it currently as a playroom for their children. They also have storage space in the eaves, as well as a good office space tucked away here with a nice window view. A lot of room here, a lot of purpose. You know, come check us out on Saturday and see how it fits for you.
So if you want to see a little more about this house, come check it out in person this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. on April 5th.
318 Hickory Hills Lane. We'll be here this Saturday. Don't miss us.
You never know what we'll have in store.